Dead trees, lots of them. On Road 99, just north of Davis, is what was earlier this season a producing orchard, now just rows of uprooted walnut trees. What's that about? Let's go take a look. I'm your host, Jamie Zachary Fox, and now you'll see how this orchard is being cleared by uprooting the trees one by one. At the arrow, you see a Caterpillar 325C, a renowned medium-sized hydraulic excavator uprooting the trees. First, the operator drops the tree stumper rake in front of the tree, breaking ground and severing parts of the root ball, then pushes over the tree. Once the tree is down, the operator executes a stumper dig and draw on each side of the tree, further breaking up the crown and loosening roots from the soil. The stumper is then pressed into the lower part of the trunk. The thumb device comes down and secures the grasp. The felled tree is lifted up. The excavator pivots and then moves the tree elsewhere. As the tree is being moved, it is shaking off more and more of the dirt. Eventually it's dropped. As the excavator pivots back, pause to look at the implements. The yellow arrow points the tree stumper and the green to the thumb. Now looking from a different perspective. Yes, those are power lines in the foreground. The operator advances the cat, digging in the tree stumper in front of the tree and drawing it back. The operator then knocks over the tree. The stumper and thumb get a grip on the tree and twist it around. Then the operator works the stumper to further break the tree free of any roots or other entanglements. Then the tree is grasped, it's lifted, and it's pivoted away. It's shaken and moved a bit to drop more of the soil. Then with a good grip on the root ball and lower trunk, the operator lifts and swings the tree and then drops it down. And after freeing yet more soil, the operator will bring back the implement, lower it down, and now use the front end of the rake to push the felled tree into the row. Done with that tree, the excavator pivots, ready to take on the next tree. Here, a neighbor tree will be extracted in the same way. The stumper digs in front of the tree, makes a dig and pushes over the tree. Then makes another stumper dig next to the tree. This time, catching the root ball, note the broken branches falling off. The operator drags the tree somewhat, then lowers the thumb, grasping the tree. Once the tree is in the grasp of the thumb, the excavator lifts the tree and then pivots, moving the tree towards the row of previously uprooted trees. As you can see, there are various branches and limbs remaining on the ground where the tree was just uprooted. The operator continues to clean the area around the removal, raking together fallen branches, grasping them, picking them up, pivoting around, and then dropping them on the pile, and then pivots back to grasp another clutch of limbs and branches, clearing the area before moving on to the next tree. One reminder, not long ago, massive rains of duration quenched this northern California basin. The ground is moist. At drier times, other techniques would be employed. Many trees remain to be removed, but as you can see, it only takes an operator about 2 or 3 minutes, depending on soil moisture, to remove a tree. It's remarkable what a single person can accomplish using an excavator with a tree stumper rake and a thumb. And that, now you know how it happens. That's a brief example of uprooting trees as a first step in clearing land. Thanks for viewing. I'm Jamie Zachary Fox.